everyone, we're going to evaluate the integral given here. The first thing I want to do is go ahead and factor out this. So we would have the integral of x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 4 dx. All right, and this is going to equal when you use your partial fraction decomposition, and I'm just going to take away the integral sign for now. Let's take away this. We're going to set this up to equal ax plus b divided by x squared plus 1 plus cx plus d divided by x squared plus 4. I'm kind of assuming that since you're looking at this one's kind of hard, that you are kind of familiar with this. So basically what you do is you just multiply through by your LCD here, your least common denominator, and that's going to give you x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 1 equals, and for this piece we're just going to cross multiply. So that's going to be ax plus b times x squared plus 4, and then we're going to have plus cx plus d times x squared plus 1. Now what we want to do is go ahead and I'm going to just copy this down. I'm going to put quotation marks for this and fix this up a little bit. We're going to have ax cubed plus bx squared plus 4ax plus 4b. All right, that's that piece. And then for this side, this part, we're going to get cx as a plus, cx cubed plus dx squared plus cx plus d. We multiply that by 1. All right, so what we have is x cubed minus 2x squared plus x plus 1 equals, now I'm going to group my terms together. So for x cubed, I'm going to get a plus c and put the x cubed outside. Then for these two, that's going to be plus b plus d times x squared. And then for these x's, that's going to be 4a plus c times x. And for our constants, we're going to get this, that's another plus. So I'll put a plus here. 4b plus d. All right. All right, so now let's equate coefficients, and that's going to give us a plus c equals 1, because that would cancel out. And then we have b plus d equals negative 2. And then for your x's, you're going to have 4a plus c equals 1. And then for your constant, you have 4b plus d equals also 1. Now we can call this 1, 2, 3, and 4. And all we need to do here, let's subtract 1 from 3. That will give you 3a equals 0. That means a is 0. And if a is 0, that means, looking at this one, c has to equal 1. And then for this one, let's go ahead and do 4 minus 2. So that's going to be 3b. These will cancel. 1 minus a negative 2 is going to be positive 3. So b equals 1. And if b is 1, that means our d is going to equal negative 3. So here's our A, B's, and C's that we can substitute back into this. So now let's rewrite this, and I'm going to split it up as the integral, and then our A was 0, so we just had a 1 divided by x squared plus 1 dx. Then we had plus the integral of x minus 3 divided by x squared plus 4 dx. I can further separate this out as the integral of 1 divided by x squared plus 1 dx plus, and I'm going to put this common denominator under each piece. So this is going to be plus the integral of x divided by x squared plus 4 minus 3, and I'm going to put the 3 out front, the integral of 1 divided by x squared plus 4 dx. All right, and then all we have to do is integrate this. So let's see what we get. This piece right here is just your tan formula, your inverse tan. So this is inverse tan of x. And then for this piece, remember you just let u equal x squared plus 4. So du equals 1/2, it's just going to be 2x dx, or x dx equals 1/2 du. I should have put a dx right here. All right, so basically for this one, this is just going to be ln of absolute value of x squared plus 4, but we still have this 1/2 we have to contend with. So this would be 1/2 here. All right, and then for this piece, we have minus 3, and this is the formula where a equals 2 for your inverse tan, just like this one. So for that one, you're going to write times 1/2 inverse tan of x divided by 2, because that's your a, and this is plus c. This is just going to be 3/2. And again, on this one, I'm just using this formula here. So basically we had, where is it? X squared minus 4. So your a is just the square root of this 4. And that's where I got it. And I'm going to write it again. Your final answer is inverse tan of x plus 1/2 ln of x squared plus 4 minus 3/2 of inverse tan of x divided by 2 plus c. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.